this, and so we'll be able to incorporate the Sharp testing into their program and hopefully be able to calibrate their device with the Sharp devices and use theirs to get some periodic data on this. You'll notice that the paint marks that I placed on the asphalt concrete shoulder. We actually have a better contrast there. You should be able to see them, and they should last for quite some time there. You can see something, we've already passed one of them up, but here's another example that I described before. They have done some grinding out here already, and they'll probably be doing more in order to bring their initial ride quality up to standard. Specification in Florida calls for minimum serviceability as estimated using the Maze ride meter of 4.1. This one measured 3.6 using the Maze meter, and therefore it has been ground and probably will be ground some more. In the past, we haven't been using sections which had been ground. However, in this case, it is actually more of a texturing operation or finishing operation than it is something to restore the ride after faulting has taken place. I haven't stopped to point out any of the yellow markings, but we see them occasionally as we're going down the roadway. There's one right in front of us. See, at the edge. Coming up on Station 4. This roadway doesn't carry nearly the truck traffic that it did at one time in the past. This section of it may carry quite heavy truck traffic. I saw a concrete plant back north of us up the road. For anything going south out of there, they've probably got some fairly heavy trucks using this. We also have another test section. It's test section 0, which is probably several hundred feet ahead of us down the road, where it's 8 inches of jointed concrete on the lime rock base. We'll describe that as we get to it in a little while. Come to the end of Station 5 of the test section, looking up. Basically the same thing we saw before with mixed pine, palms, and palmettos. Come back to the south. Back around in the pine trees. And looking back up north on the test section. Test section, we have an outlet for the edge drain, which I described before. Nothing remarkable, just wanted to show that it is here. The edge drain consists of mostly porous concrete, and it needs to have a place to express itself occasionally, and this is it right here within this test section. In 124059, US Highway 1 southbound, section